My name is Lovenesh. I am a service technician at Sunrise Kitchens Limited. My job is to fix and repair kitchen cabinet. I like this job because I am able to put my knowledge and expertise to practice. It challenges me in all the skills that I do. One of the projects that I am proud was that it required 2 days to finish, but I was able to finish in a day. I got into woodworking industry because you can use various types of techniques and knowledge to finish up cabinet work and design. From high school, I have been doing woodworking and continued by studying woodworking. My career goal is to design something unique with my woodworking skills. It is a great career path for someone who can get hands-on experience in making creative objects from wood.